Have you ever wondered what it takes to build a financial company from scratch and attract hundreds of thousands of customers in a competitive market dominated by traditional banks? It's a question many entrepreneurs ask, especially when they look at the financial technology, or fintech, landscape. For years, small and medium-sized businesses and freelancers have felt underserved by traditional banks. The processes were slow, the fees were often opaque, and the digital tools were clunky and outdated. This frustration is precisely what gave rise to a new wave of digital-first financial solutions, and a French company named Qonto is a prime example. Founded in 2016, Qonto's mission was clear from day one: to simplify business finance for entrepreneurs and their teams. They wanted to build a business account that was intuitive, transparent, and packed with modern features, a solution designed by entrepreneurs for entrepreneurs. What started as a simple idea in a Paris office has since grown into a major force in the European fintech scene. They've expanded their footprint across multiple countries, including Germany, Italy, Spain, and more, and have consistently rolled out new features to help businesses with everything from expense management to invoicing. But for a business account that operates entirely online, the real measure of success is its customer base. A big number tells a story of trust, effective product design, and a real market need being met. So, just how many customers does Qonto have? Well, as of July 2025, Qonto proudly serves over 600,000 customers across Europe. That's a staggering number, and it represents a significant milestone in their journey. To put that into perspective, it's a customer base larger than the entire population of many European cities. This isn't just about opening new accounts, it's about building a reputation as a reliable and essential financial partner for a huge number of businesses. This growth didn't happen overnight. It's the result of a few key strategies. First, Qonto has a relentless focus on its target audience, freelancers and SMEs. They're not trying to be everything to everyone. Instead, they're building a product that perfectly fits the specific needs of these businesses. Their platform combines a business account with an ecosystem of financial tools that help with bookkeeping, expense management, and team spending, all in one place. Second, Qonto's expansion strategy has been incredibly smart. Rather than just relying on organic growth, they've also made key acquisitions, such as their purchase of the German fintech Penta in 2022. This move not only gave them a strong foothold in a crucial market but also instantly added thousands of new customers to their platform. This kind of strategic consolidation is a common tactic in the fast-paced fintech world, and it shows Qonto's ambition to become a dominant player. Finally, their commitment to the user experience is a major draw. With transparent pricing and a clean, easy-to-use interface, Qonto has been able to win over customers who were tired of the bureaucracy and hidden fees of traditional banks. They've made business banking less of a chore and more of a streamlined process, which frees up entrepreneurs to do what they do best: run their businesses. Looking ahead, Qonto has set its sights on even more ambitious goals, with a stated aim to reach 1 million customers by 2026. This kind of trajectory shows a company with a clear vision and the financial backing to make it happen. They've successfully raised hundreds of millions of euros from investors, proving that the market believes in their model and their ability to scale. The story of Qonto isn't just about a number, it's about the evolution of business banking. It's a clear signal that the future of finance is digital, and that companies that prioritize transparency, simplicity, and a user-centric approach are the ones that will thrive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.